Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres. And Henry and I thought it would be fun to share a poem that was shared with us by another gardener. Just a short video to say hi as we get ready for New Year's tomorrow. So here it is. A gardener's version of the night before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the yard the branches were bare and the ground frozen hard. The roses were dormant and mulched all around to protect them from damage if frost heaves the ground. The perennials were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of 5-10-5 danced in their heads. The new planted shrubs had been soaked by the hose to settle their roots for the long winter's doze. And out on the lawn the new fallen snow protected the roots of the grasses below. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a truck full of gifts of gardening gear. St. Nick was the driver, the jolly old elf, and he winked as he said, "I'm a gardener myself. I've brought wilt-proof, rutone, and gibberellin too. Please try them and see what they will do. To start new plants, a propagating kit, sparkling new shears for the old apple tree. To seed your new lawn, I've a patented sower. In case it should grow, here's a new power mower. For seed planting days, I've a trowel and a dibble, and a roll of wire mesh if the rabbits should nibble. For the feminine gardener, some gadgets she loves, plant stakes, a sprinkler, and waterproof gloves. A chemical agent for the compost pit, and for pH detecting, a soil testing kit. With these colorful flagstones, lay a new garden path for the kids to enjoy, and bird feeder and bath. And last but not least, some well-rotted manure. A green Christmas year-round these gifts will ensure. Then jolly St. Nick, having emptied his load, started his truck and took to the road. And I heard him explain, through the motor's loud hum, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a green thumb. This poem was written by Richard Joron from the Horticulture Department at the University of Iowa, and he was the man who answered questions on their question line for gardeners for 36 years, and he retired this year. So, to Richard Joron, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. See you next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll be back tomorrow. Bye!